Welcome to my channel. Thanks for watching. Make sure if you like my content, please like and subscribe. Make sure with all the creators that you follow, whatever channel you follow, make sure to go back and check to see if you're still subscribed and your notifications is turned on. They've been turning off notifications and they've been unsubscribing people. It happens randomly. It's happening on my channel too. But make sure your favorite people that you love following, you're still subscribed to. And you're getting all their notifications. Make sure your notification bell is turned off. That way you won't miss out on anything. Yes, it's a common problem. It's not just me. It's all the creators having this issue. So make sure you're still subscribed. That way you get the content you like. Thank you. Today I'm going to be doing my spring display. You'll need tulips. I cut it off the main stem to give me individual tulips, daffodils, and my vase, which I got over at Dollar Tree. Let's get started. I actually have 3 of these to put in the vase. So we're going to put this in the vase first. And then we're going to do the tulips around it. You just space them out and shove them in. You just keep doing it until it's all the way done. There we go. You have to, sometimes it's harder to get in because of all the stems. But I had that many in before. I can do it again. You just keep shoving it in. Basically like me trying to get my swimsuit on in the springtime for the first time trying it on. Then you realize, uh-oh, gotta lose some weight because it's not fitting. That's how it looks after you get them all in. I'll bring you around for a better view. Here's what it looks like done. If you have any suggestions, put it in the comments section. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.